Hi, my name is Matt Schluter. I'm the lead engineer for the VBX Plus at Boss Snowplow. Today we'll be taking a look at the new generation of spreader technology. In the snow and ice industry, tracking material usage and knowing the material you're using is critical. This is essential for contractors to accurately record jobs, ensure customer billing, and plan material supply usage. That's why Boss is committed to designing, refining, and building the highest quality products to help you restore order in the most adverse winter conditions. To maintain our future-ready position and establish Boss as the leader in technology, we answered contractors' calls by developing the VBX Plus, a foundational move into smart connected products for Boss Snowplow. These replace the existing VBX line, offering customers the ability to enhance their fleet with rate control and job tracking capabilities, setting the new standard in solid de-icing. This year, it will come standard with smart features such as rate control, easy-to-adjust calibrations, and material tracking for up to 10 job sites. It's also compatible with the Boss diagnostic tool and future smart connected solutions. We've upgraded the power connection with an all-new single plug connector that combines power, ground, and control wires, simplifying seasonal installation and plug-and-play functionality. The VBX Plus includes upgraded features from the current VBX line. Those include lighting with a new brake light, work light, and strobe lights with selectable patterns, an easy access hatch for maintenance, more powerful motors for more consistent spreading, selectable vibrator control modes, and the option to turn on a soft start for the feeder and spinner motor. The VBX Plus has several features aimed at reducing and simplifying maintenance, including a poly auger bearing that eliminates the need to grease it, a redesigned tensioning system for the pintle chain to extend chain life, redesigned strike plates to eliminate material leakage, and easy accessible grease zerks that can be found on the outside of the spreader. We've optimized the spinner chute and disc design to more efficiently guide material to the disc for a more consistent spreading pattern. Lastly, we've introduced a new controller that has a familiar feel while incorporating the new smart features of the VBX Plus. Whatever the demand, Boss has the solution you need to restore order. To learn more about the VBX Plus, visit bossplow.com.